ever crossed my mind.
I could have killed you. I had you while you were rummaging around in the front there. I know you did what you did for a reason, and part of me understands. But the other part sees you with your back turned to me and knows I could have killed you. I need to go.
Holy shit! She's stealing the RV!
Lily!
Come back here, you crazy bitch! Fuck! Stop!
Let's focus on the train.
Well, we're fucked if we don't figure out how this thing works. Can't spend the night out here. Duck is still sick, you know. We need to get to the city, the coast.